How does geyser work? The main motive of any geyser would be to heat the water. To compensate for this process of heating, there are multiple components involved. Let us know each of its heating stages as mentioned below. Number 1. Water stored in the tank. Actually, the water is always stored in the electric water heater. It has all the basic sensors which detect the flow of water and ensure that the water heater is always filled with water. This helps in the heating process whenever a user turns on the electric geyser. The electric heater tank is made up of solid metal which has a capacity ranging from 150 to 250 liters. This is the water capacity for a residential based water heater depending upon the model of the water heater. The capacity of the water tank gets changed. The exterior of the water tank is insulated with polyurethane. This helps in the insulation in the outer part of the water heater. It is one of the major components that help you to prevent any electric accident. It has been custom designed depending on the style on the water heater. Number 2. The heating process starts. In the electric water heater, there is a deep tube which is utilized in heating water. Other electric heating elements are utilized by the electric geyser to produce hot water for bathing activities. It is one of the key parts in which the deep tube helps in heating the water. Number 3. Controllable valve. This is the valve that takes an active role in whether to turn off or turn on the water system. This is the section where you can control the flow of water. This controllable valve helps the electric water geyser to turn off when the water is filled within the electric heater tank. The part is generally attached from the exterior to monitor the flow of water. Number 4. The water temperature is closely monitored with the help of a thermostat. An electric water heater measures the temperature of the water. This is basically done to regulate the temperature so that you don't get extremely hot water from the machine. Thermostats are customizable in a few of the electric water heaters. Number 5. You can extract the water through the heat out pipe. The heating mechanism helps to turn on the required elements to heat the water. After the heating process gets completed, you can get the water extracted through the heat out pipe. This part has been integrated within the electric geyser, which allows water to be flowing out when it was reached the maximum temperature. How does the electric heater protect itself from corrosion? Electric water heaters have been equipped with special equipment what called as sacrificial anode rods. These are basically made up of aluminum. Sometimes you can notice that these anode rods are made of magnesium as well, as they have been embedded with steel that acts as a support element. This is usually found over the surface of the water of the heater so that it can prevent the corrosion process from happening. How can I drain out impurities from the water heater? If you look at the bottom of the electric water heater, you can find a drain valve. This is the outlet connection for the water heater which you need to open. When you open the drain valve, you can easily remove all the dust and dirt related particles that were getting accumulated within the machine. How does the thermostat control the temperature and how much is it? The thermostat plays an active role in controlling the temperature of the water. Usually, the thermostat can regulate the temperature ranging from 50 to 80 degrees Celsius. This is the standard temperature range that has been standardized for all the water heater brands. When you see the temperature that they have made a standard rule, it is optimum when it comes to residential purpose use.